In this video, I will show how to rename worksheet in Microsoft Excel. So if you have existing worksheet, so click here, right click and click on rename and give a name here. Just you have to right click on it and rename. And there are some more options. Once you right click on it, so you can rename, delete. Also, you can create a worksheet like this. You can insert worksheet. If you have any already, select it and click on OK. Now to rename, right click and just click on rename. That's it. So thanks for watching.